Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. Friends, today we will deal with past tense. Past tense means time which has passed away and become past. Subtypes of past tense are past indefinite tense, also known as simple past tense, past continuous tense, also known as past progressive tense, past perfect tense, and last one is past perfect continuous tense. And first of all, we will deal with past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense is used to express an action that is just completed or just happened, normally a short time before speaking. मीन्स पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस हम कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? उस वर्क को, उस एक्शन को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए जो अभी अभी फिनिश हुआ है. Time of action is not specified, but it makes a sense that action is just completed. It is also used to express our old habits. Means हम अपनी old habits को express करने के लिए भी past indefinite tense use करते हैं. Examples are, he used to narrate a tale. Tale is a story. वो story सुनाया करता था. They used to sing songs. वो song गाया करते थे. Means we are talking about our old habits. And one important thing is there, when we are going to express our old habits, we use this word used to. Like, I used to go there. मैं वहाँ जाया करता था. Examples of affirmative sentences are, they went to Ludhiana yesterday. वे कल लुधियाना गए. He met me last week. वे last week मुझे मिला. She pretended to be innocent. उसने innocent होने का pretend किया. I did my best. मैंने अपना best किया. Rules for the same. First of all, we will use subject like they, he, she, I. Then second form of verb, object. Then extra information in the sentence. Kindly note one thing, that past indefinite tense is the only tense where we use second form of verb. Means past indefinite tense में सिर्फ past indefinite tense में ही हम second form of verb use करते हैं और किसी भी tense में second form of verb use नहीं होता. Negative sentences of past indefinite tense. They did not go to Ludhiana yesterday. वे कल लुधियाना नहीं गए. He did not meet me last week. वो last week मुझे नहीं मिला. She did not pretend to be innocent. उसने innocent होने का pretend नहीं किया. I did not do my best. मैंने अपना best नहीं किया. Rules are subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object, then extra information in the sentence. Now what you have to do, after subject you are to use did not. Like do, did, done. We are using second form in this tense. So did not. In negative it will become did not. And wherever we are using did, after did we always use first form of verb. So the sentence will become, they did not go. Earlier we were using second form. In affirmative sentences we were using second form. But in negative sentences we are using did. So with did we always use first form of verb. The sentence will become, they did not go to Ludhiana yesterday. He did not meet. She did not pretend. I did not do. So these are the examples of negative sentences of past indefinite tense. Interrogative sentences of past indefinite tense. Did they go to Ludhiana yesterday? क्या वे कल लुधियाना गए? Did he meet me last week? क्या वह मुझे last week मिला? Did she pretend to be innocent? क्या उसने innocent होने का pretend किया? Did I do my best? क्या मैंने अपना best किया? So it is very simple to make interrogative sentences. What you have to do? Just change the position of did. Means you will use did in the very beginning of the sentence. हमने सिर्फ did को sentence की beginning में लगा देना है. That's it. And rules for the same is did, subject, first form of verb, object, extra information, and at the end sign of interrogation. Sentences regarding WH family. Why did you go there? आप वहाँ क्यों गए? When did you decide to be a doctor? आपने कब डिसाइड किया कि आप एक डॉक्टर बनोगे? How did you do this difficult task single-handedly? Single-handedly means without help from anyone. अकेले ही. आपने अकेले ही ये डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क वर्क कैसे किया? What did you say to her? आपने उसे क्या कहा? I have already discussed what is WH family in my previous audios. So it is very simple to use WH family in interrogative sentences. What you have to do? Just use these words like what, where, when, how before interrogative sentences. So friends, that was all about past indefinite tense. Thank you very much for listening to me. Stay blessed always.